Let's wait and see. Not sure if we're live, everybody. Give it a second. Alright, we're live, yes. Good morning, good evening. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, everybody. Yeah, welcome. We have the Forex trading week day 1. Alright. Good morning to you. Yeah, this week is going to be the same schedule, everybody. I didn't manage to change the schedule yet. Alright. Forex trading week, yes. Okay, everybody, good morning. One more time, right? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. This is Mike, the FX Boss, broadcasting live on YouTube and other streaming platforms. Never forget, trading is a learnable skill when you learn in the correct way. The goal is to bring you from zero to a millionaire trader in 3 years. In an institutional way, everybody. What does this mean? You're first an analyst, and then you become a trader. Alright, as always, if you want to receive the free ebook with this, well, this is the manual, by the way, the free ebook with this beautiful guy, please visit the website www.fxbossfx.com. It's for free, doesn't cost you a cent. If you want the free manual, send me an email, everybody. Most of you do have the email, the manual. And never forget, you're going to graduate from this course when number 1, you have your chart set up and ready for trading. Number 2, you have your strategy in place, you understand how you win and how you lose. And number 3, you have a complete understanding how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. Risk disclaimer, this stream is not trading or investment advice. We are here to learn, everybody. And for questions and homeworks, we have the email, right? Who is online YouTube too? Is anybody online on YouTube? Can you give me an okay? So I can see to whom. And everybody, Forex trading week, everybody, we are going to, we just finished the first part of the manual. We just finished the first part of the manual. So before we go to the part number 2, which is called timing and retracement trading, we are going to do the Forex trading week, where we are going to implement what we have learned so far into the live market. Hello Olga, how are you on YouTube? Everybody, so far we learned lesson number 1, technical market structure, highs and lows, market behaviors, the market wave, also called the market structure, trends, uptrend, downtrend. We've learned trend lines, consolidations, news events, and lately we've learned higher time frames and smaller time frames. Okay, so this is the first module. It's called market structure and trends. Okay, so we are going to have the Forex trading week where we try to implement what we have learned so far. Okay, everybody. So remember, I'm going to put. Give me a second, everybody. So how this works, everybody, goes like this. Give me a second. So Forex trading week. Type in the chat. Number what? Buy or sell. Number 2, what currency pair? Number 3, what time frame? Number 4, what pattern are you trading, or what pattern do you want to trade? What pattern do you want to trade? And number 5, where is the stop loss and where is the take profit price. Okay, everybody? So first comes, hello Shantana, how are you? First comes, first is served, everybody. Okay. Now, this week you are the traders. Hedge fund trader Olga, hedge fund trader Shantana on YouTube. Type in the chat, buy or sell. What currency pair do you want to buy or sell? On what time frame do you want to buy or sell the currency pair? What pattern do you want to trade? And where is the stop loss? Okay. Just an example, everybody. You can put in the chat. So example, you know, example. It doesn't need to be in this sequence, but example, you know, I'm going to write USD CHF daily short consolidation, and then so on. So now it's stop loss price and take profit price. Okay, everybody, help me to not to waste much time on the asking you questions. So if somebody is going to put in the chat on YouTube USD CHF daily short consolidation, then we would go on USD CHF, just an example, you know, daily time frame, just an example, and this being the example, you know, the trader in the Forex trading week, this would be the consolidation, and in this example the guy would say, or the girl would say, alright, so shorting the market on the daily, you know, and the guy or the girl would say, okay, stop loss somewhere above in here and take profit somewhere down here. Hello David, how are you? David, I left you a message after the class if you want to check on Teams. Okay, everybody, so first comes, first is served. We are going to trade the market for 1 week, everybody. Okay, we're going to do this. I'm going to put your positions in here. Remember, everybody, you are trying to implement what you have learned so far into the live market. Okay, so Olga, Shantana, David on YouTube, and everybody else, type in the chat. Type in the chat, what pair do you want to trade, buy or sell, what time frame, what pattern. Everybody, most of you have issues in here. Trading is a learnable skill. Try to get good at identifying, alright, what am I buying or selling, you know. Alright, just type in the chat, there is no right or wrong. I have a 20 seconds delay on the chat, everybody. David, what are you going to trade? Shantana, what are you going to trade? Olga, anybody else online? Buy, sell, sideways, whatever. Yes, you can ask for any pair, any gold, no. Gold, no. Bitcoin, not. We're talking about the Forex market. Don't worry, everybody, you know. Max shorting, so not on YouTube, everybody, I have a comment. Max shorting Euro NZD on the daily. Euro NZD shorten trend on the daily. Max shorting Euro NZD on the daily. Okay, everybody, there is no right or wrong. Remember, we're trying to implement what we have learned so far. Okay. Max shorting Euro NZD. Max, what is the I know you said you're shorting the shortened trend, but where is the take profit, where is the stop loss? I'm going to wait for you, Max. Alright, so entry, we're going to short, right? Not buy, but sell, everybody. Entry, sell. I'm going to wait for Max. So submit. Okay. And we need to go positions. Here we are going to put comments, right? Close, stop, take profit comments. So Max, not on YouTube, but on the other streaming platform, everybody. Max shorting Euro NZD daily short term trend. Alright, everybody? Come on, David, come on, Shantana, come on, Olga, on YouTube. In the meantime, I'm going to wait for David, not for for Max. Max is shorting the short, and then we're going to, this is how we learn, we're going to take a look, you know. Okay. Stop loss, says Max, 19000, stop loss 1.90000. Okay. Max, what about the take profit? 1.84000, says Max. 1.84000. We have one. There is no right or wrong. We're trying to implement what you have learned so far, everybody. Olga, Shantana, David, I'm waiting for you guys on YouTube too. Don't be shy, there is no right or wrong. We are here to learn. Okay. In the meantime, everybody, what do you think about Max trade? Would you say that Max trade it's high probability, low probability? Max is shorting the short-term trend. David, I'm driving at the moment, sorry. Don't drive and listen to... Don't do this, David. Don't drive and listen to the sessions. Hedge fund trader Shantana, hedge fund trader Olga. We're going to do this, everybody, for 5 days, alright? Don't be shy, makes sense? Try to implement what you have learned so far. Try to, you know. Talking about Max's trade. Is Max's trade low risk, high risk, more or less risk? What do you think? Okay, bro, yeah, there's no... My Forex does not work at the moment, have to... Trading it's the same, Olga, don't worry. Okay, so talking about Max trade. Ellen, I'm seeing your comments. We're going to wait for YouTubers too. Okay. So... Do we agree that Max... You know, this is how we learn, alright? Do we agree that what Max is... trying to short, I mean he's shorting it already, that do we agree that this downtrend is not confirmed yet, everybody? Do we agree that the downtrend, the yellow downtrend is not confirmed yet? So yeah, we have lower lows, lower highs, agreed? Max is saying yeah, but it's 75. True, fair enough, it's 75. Okay. Now, Max, if I were you, I would put the stop loss on the pattern traded. Okay. This is the pattern. If we agree, if you're trading the short-term downtrend on the daily, the yellow one, then we can agree that the stop loss Shantana downtrend not confirmed. Exactly. We didn't learn yet support, resistance, pivot point, but let's say that your take profit level it's alright. But talking about the stop loss, Max, the market can go up, stops you out. You know, stops you out on your stop loss and reverse and still go back down. Make sense, everybody? On the yellow. This is why the market is going to show you and tell you that, oh, we are not in a retracement anymore once the market breaks the relevant high of the downtrend. We are trying to implement what we have learned so far. We are trying to implement the concept, market wave, short-term trend, extension, retracement, extension. Max, should I move the stop loss or are you going to leave it there? There is no right or wrong, everybody. This is how you learn. This is how you learn. Makes sense? Now, talking about take profit, it's in a better place. We didn't learn yet, but many times the market is going to hit past support. All right. And it's going to react to this past support. Sometimes it's going to break past support. Okay. So there is no right or wrong, everybody. Everybody has a different strategy, different methodology. So your level, Max, talking about profit taking makes sense. There is another support, but the first support is here. Okay. And there is no right or wrong. Shantana, when can I buy? Nah, just type in the chat, Shantana. It just happened that Max was the first. Just type in the chat, Shantana, do you want to buy or sell? What currency pair? What time frame? What pattern do you want to trade? And where is the stop loss? Where is the take profit? Okay, everybody? And the winner of the Forex trading week is going to have 1 hour I'm not sure if it says consultation. 1 hour chat or whatever with me, alright, everybody? The best trader, the best analyst trader, and we are going to see, because we are going to monitor your trades, everybody. The best trader, I'm going to give you 1 hour of my time, alright? And we can talk weather if you want, or we can talk trading strategies, money, companies, platforms, proprietary trading platforms, whatever. Okay, everybody? The best winner, I'm going to give you 1 hour of my time. Next week, we have 3 days this week, and next week 2 more days. Forex trading week, right? Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. YouTubers, type in the chat, otherwise I'm going to go with the other. I have a lot of comments on the other streaming platform. Okay, everybody, don't worry, I'm going to... Shantana, type in the chat when you're ready. Olga, too. If there is anybody else, Alexander, if you're online. On YouTube, Julius, Melissa maybe online, Douglas, if you're on YouTube. Okay. Ellen, buying, USD CAD. Ellen want to buy USD CAD, buying the 1 hour chart. Ellen, buying the 1 hour chart, market wave. Ellen, buying the 1 hour chart. Ellen, did you mean to short? Did you mean to short, not buy? Ellen, I'm looking at the 1 hour chart, but I'm seeing, so everybody, we're here to implement what we have learned so far, alright? Ellen on the other streaming platform is saying that he wants to buy USD CAD 1 hour chart, market wave. So if I'm on the daily, I have extension and retracement, and this is all that I'm seeing. Now if I go to the 1 hour chart, then I can see that extension retracement, but I can see the market falling down, right? Ellen, would you be so kind and type in the chat what? Maybe you're seeing a different story than me. I don't see really why would you buy the 1 hour chart is going down. In the meantime, Olga, Shantana, we're waiting for you on YouTube. Any other YouTuber, student trader on YouTube want to trade the market? Don't be shy, everybody. There is no right or wrong. And the best trader, the best analyst, you know. Next week I'm going to give you 1 hour of my free time, so you can ask questions or analyze the market, or we can simply drink something online and talk about weather. Any currency pair, any time frame, first comes first is served. Ellen saying, oh, short, yes, I'm sorry. Alright, so you're shorting the down market wave, not buying. Ellen, type in the chat, please. Where is the take profit? Where is the stop loss? So extension, everybody. We are trying to implement what we have learned so far, right? Extension, retracement. Okay. Yeah, that's on the daily. Give me a second. That's on the daily. So everybody, we are joining. We are charting highs and lows on the daily, alright? Highs and low, low to high. But Ellen, it's on the 1 hour. Shorting the market. Shantana, sell euro dollar daily. Very good, Shantana. Shorting euro. What pattern are you trading, Shantana? What pattern are you trading, and where is the stop loss and where is the take profit? Everybody, this is the missing piece of all the. For the last, gosh, it was 2017. For the last 8 years that I'm an active coach, beginner traders, incubation traders, interns, internship, this is the beginning. It's the big issue for you. You must be clear on what pattern do you want to trade. Make sense? Forex course 101. In the advanced institutional trader course, then we talk about strategies and how to come to an edge and so on. But this is the foundation. Shantana, where is the stop loss? Where is the take profit? In the meantime, I'm going to open Euro USD daily chart. Okay. USD CAD 1 hour chart. So Ellen is shorting. I'm going to enter sell, submit. Okay. Shantana is shorting euro dollar, so I'm going to enter sell, submit orders, and here is the comment. This is euro dollar. I'm going to add a comment. So Shantana shorting, shorting daily. Okay, what pattern are you shorting, Shantana? Shorting daily. And USD CAD, Ellen shorting, Ellen shorting 1 hour market wave. Ellen, I need the stop loss, take profit price, please. Shantana, you too. Where is the take profit and the stop loss on euro dollar daily chart? Olga short in Euro JPY, everybody. Euro JPY. Olga short in Euro JPY 4 hours. Please type in the chat, Ellen, Shantana, and Olga, what pattern are you shorting? So entry Euro JPY short, submit, shorting the market. Euro JPY. Hedge fund trader Olga shorting 4 hour. Whoops. So Ellen, I have the You are shorting the market wave on USD CAD 1 hour chart. Olga says stop loss 1. Let's go to Euro JPY. Stop loss, whoops, right click, at stop loss. Olga is saying it's 164.2. Submit. Okay. Very good. What pattern are you shorting, Olga? Shantana, I'm waiting for you. Stop loss, take profit. What pattern? Ellen, stop loss, USD CAD, stop loss, take profit. Ellen says 145, stop loss. Ellen says 1.45. Similarly to Max, Ellen, if you are shorting the 1 hour down market wave, remember Forex course 101, this is no, so Forex trading weekday 1, this is no trading or investment advice. We're trying to implement what we have learned so far. Similarly to Max, Ellen, this was the extension and now this was the retracement. Okay, this was the retracement, Ellen, and now the market is going down, but this new extension is not confirmed yet because the market must break this low in here. Make sense? This means that the market can go similar to Max, the market can go up and up and up and up, stops you out on your stop loss, deeper retracement, and then reverses and still go your way. Make sense? The market can go up to here, the down market wave is still in place. Make sense? Make sense, Ellen? So similarly to Max, on your New Zealand, I would advise you put the stop loss on the pattern traded, so the stop loss would go up in here. Everybody who wants to learn to make money, I cannot tell you otherwise. Do you want to learn how to make money in the Forex market? This is ongoing for the last 8 years with beginner traders. You are not a trader yet, you're an analyst, but this is an ongoing issue in the beginning. Do you want to learn how to make money? Forex course 101? Great question, everybody. I'm going to be boring telling you, it's always the same question. Boss, can I make money with Forex course 101? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Boss, can I make consistent profits with Forex course 101? I'm sorry to tell you, but Forex course 101, it's not enough to be consistently profitable. Make sense? This is why we're giving you the institutional knowledge, the understanding, the grooming of institutional traders in the advanced course. Make sense, everybody? Do you want to learn how to make money? In the Forex course 101, this is specific for you guys. In Forex course 101, what makes the money to the analyst, which you are not a trader yet? You have different variables. What is making you money? Is the risk management going to make you money? Is the entry setup going to make you money? Is psychology going to make you money? Is trade management going to make you money? Is the stop loss going to make you money? What? All of those are important and relevant for Forex course 101, but there is one which is the single most important, and you are witnessing this right now. If you don't master this one specific variable, all the others are not going to help you. Does this make sense? Okay, everybody, type 1, this goes into your strategy. Okay, that's a rule. Rule. Everybody listen up. Boss, can I come to advanced course? Whatever, I have the time, I have the money. If you don't obey this rule, then the answer is going to be no, you cannot come to the advanced course. Make sense, everybody? Rule. I'm answering to Shantana. I am never, ever, I'm not sure if it's correct English, ever. I'm never, ever going to enter the market without a predetermined pattern that I am going to trade. Strategy rule. Shantana, yes, I'm going to help you with the pattern. Thank you very much, Shantana, you just gave me an idea. Everybody, whatever strategy, whatever methodology you have, type this in the strategy. I'm never, ever going to enter the market without a predetermined pattern that I'm going to trade. Does this make sense, everybody? Why not? Because if you are trading without the pattern, you are taking chances. Make sense? You are taking chances. The market's going up and you buy, and the market's going down and you buy. Make sense? This is not the correct way to trade. You are taking chances. You don't judge yourself. This is how we learn, but try to understand that. How can you quantify, Shantana and everybody else, how can you quantify, listen up, how can you quantify a probability if you don't have a pattern? Does this make sense? So if I don't have a pattern that I'm going to, if I'm not clear, am I trading an uptrend or downtrend or consolidation or the short market wave, a unicorn pattern, If I'm not clear on what pattern, how can I quantify objectively the probabilities? You can't quantify probabilities, make sense? So it's a strategy rule. I'm never, ever again going to enter the market without a predetermined pattern. By the way, always correct, the stop loss is the most important. In the last 8 years, everybody, incubation traders, advanced traders, beginner traders, internship trader, whatever, the stop loss, the appropriate use of the stop loss is the big issue. Applause to Olga, the stop loss. Okay, everybody? This is an issue, so try to implement this rule. This rule is psychological because you are attached to money in the advanced course. You're going to understand why, and you are taking chances. Market going up, you wish to jump on the train, or the market is going down and you wish to jump on the train, but the train is gone, right? So Shantana, shorting the daily euro dollar, right? Okay, everybody. So Forex trading weekday 1, we're trying to implement what we have learned so far. Shantana, you have your charts, right? So extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, and then down extension, retracement, extension. Okay, just an example. So Shantana, if you want, you can trade you need to choose, you can trade the short-term down market wave on the daily. Can you see it? you can trade the retracement on the short-term uptrend if you want. Extension, retracement, I'm not sure if this one. So highs and lows, right? Highs and lows, you know, highs and lows, high, not a low, high, too low, high. So if you want, you can trade from, give me a second everybody, you can trade, we didn't learn yet, but you can trade from here down to this past support if you want. Let's say that you're trading this uptrend leg, right? Shantana, it's a sideways pattern consolidation. Well, I don't see consolidation, but there is no right or wrong anyway. Okay. Consolidation would be here, and consolidation maybe, just maybe, would be in here. So the market went out of, I don't see, maybe I'm wrong, but I'm not seeing consolidation anymore on euro dollar daily chart. Shantana, or if you can explain. So if you are trading the short-term down market wave, then you know that the stop loss goes up in here. Just an example, you know, if you are trading a retracement on the uptrend, then the stop loss goes up in here. What else is there to short the market? Candlestick formation, we didn't learn yet. This is the daily chart. Maybe if we go on the weekly, just maybe, I don't see anything else so far to short euro dollar. Okay, everybody, strategy rule, I'm never ever again going to enter the market without a predetermined pattern that I'm going to trade, because as Olga says, the most important and relevant variable, you know, shorting the downtrend. Do you mean the down market wave, Shantana? The euro dollar here, the red one? Or do you want to short the orange one? Do you want to short the orange one? This is, I mean, there is no right or wrong. We're trying to implement, so this would be the, so far, the price action to go down, right? Shantana, are you shorting the red, the green, or the orange? Similarly to Max, you are speculating, everybody. You have no short-term downtrend yet. Everybody, does Shantana have a look in here? Tell me, does Shantana have a downtrend? Which high is higher? Is the circle high higher than the rectangle high, or is the rectangle high higher than the circle high? Oh, the green, very good, excellent, the green. So stop loss goes up in here. All right. Everybody, I can help you, it's not a problem. Get in the habit of using this rule, right? Get in the habit that you're going to have a predetermined pattern in your mind or on paper before you're going to enter the market. Okay? So Max, we have the stop loss and the take profit. USD CAD, Ellen, we are still waiting for the take profit. Shantana, now we're going to put the stop loss 109,585. Shantana, at stop loss 1.09585. Green, orange, decide which one. If you are trading the green, you are speculating, you have no downtrend yet. I said wrong, I'm sorry everybody. If you are trading the orange, you are speculating. You have no downtrend on the orange yet. Max was positioned a little bit better because Max at least has high, low, lower high. Max's downtrend is 75%. The orange downtrend it's at 50%. This is pure speculation on the orange. If you are shorting the green, might be better. Okay, everybody. Olga and Shantan on YouTube, I'm waiting for your take profit. I'm missing Olga's take profit, I'm missing Shantana's take profit, I'm missing Ellen on the other stream platform, your take profit too. Boss, would you be so kind and move my stop? Sure. Max is moving the stop up in here, give me a second. Max to the red, Max. Max it's... But I would like to have the same take profit. It's all good, Max, don't worry. This is how we learn. But Max, if the market goes down to here, to the first past support and then reverses and go back up and stops you out, promise to me that you are going to relay this, you are going to write in your journal how the market moves, and with time don't do this kind of, I mean it's a probability game, but if you see the market almost hitting your take profit, almost hitting your take profit, almost hitting your take profit, and then it's reversing and goes back up, then promise me you're going to learn and have a better take profit, alright? So next, alright, we're waiting for Olga's take profit. Olga, also the pattern. Olga, what pattern are you trading on the 4-hour chart? Shantana, we're waiting for a take profit. Remember guys, don't do this, don't trade like this. You have no downtrend yet. On Euro dollar daily chart, this is no downtrend, alright? You must obey the rules exactly. Ellen, your take profit. Ellen says 1 per 2, alright? Ellen says 1 per 2. Graphically, this is the... So out and out. Boss, what are we doing? We are trying to implement what we have learned so far into the live markets. Remember, you are enrolled in a course. So Ellen, I'm going to move your stop up in here, right? Tell me if it's okay, Ellen. And just graphically, if this is the risk, if you're risking 1 Bitcoin, 1 Euro, 1 Lambo, then you want to make 2 Bitcoins, 2 Euros, 2 Lambos, right? So just graphically for Ellen, 138,200, 138,200, 138,200 Euro USD CAD, 1.38200, USD CAD, where is USD CAD? 1.38200. Alright, Ellen, we got you covered. Remember, the best trader in the Forex trading week, you're going to be awarded with 1 hour free consultation. I'm not sure how to say. Olga, we need to define we need to see what pattern are you trading to see the stop loss. Or do you need help, Olga? Do you need help with the patterns too? I'm going to help you guys, it's not really a problem, just get into the habit of... Boss, I didn't know that it's a Forex trading week, so tomorrow we're going to be better prepared, right? Somebody's complaining on the other streaming platform. Boss, but I didn't know about the Forex trading week. Tomorrow come back to the session. It's going to be Forex Trading Week Day 2. Come back with your strategies, come back with your charts, and come back with the patterns that you are going to trade, right? I didn't know. This was on purpose, everybody. So Olga is saying Euro JPY, take profit 160.488. Yes, Olga, it's better. Everybody don't trade like this. This is how we learn. Don't take it personally. You are risking more than you're making. This is a no-go in the advanced course. Okay, everybody? Zero chance of you making consistent money trading like this. Shantana, Euro Dollar, take profit at, give me a second, 1.05. Submit. Similarly to Mac, Shantana, I would advise you to put the take profit a little bit higher, somewhere like this. Okay, because you have support, resistance, pivot points we didn't learn yet but before. A risk reward ratio makes sense. You are risking less than you are making. Okay. You might be speculating on the pattern, the red one. You know, you have no confirmed downtrend yet. Okay, but at least risk reward ratio makes sense. Olga, you're risking more than you're making. I wouldn't do this, but everybody, it's a demo account, don't worry, you know. Be just careful, everybody, don't get into a habit of doing this. I have 5 more minutes. Anybody else want to take any trades? Yes, you can change stop loss, take profit. Olga, what pattern are you trading? Olga is saying, can you please help me with the take profit? Well, just graphically, but you need to, everybody, everything starts with a stop loss, right? Everything starts with the pattern. Everybody try to understand that take profit really doesn't matter. Take profit, it's the, you are not going to understand this yet, unless you take my word for it. Take profit is the least relevant level. You must get the stop loss right first. Does this make sense? Once the stop loss goes on the pattern traded, then the take profit is step number 2. So Olga, just graphically, you know, it's a no-brainer. Just graphically, you can go 1 per 2, 1.5. All right. Okay, Olga, just graphically. We can move your take profit down to here. Ah, but I don't know, it's too far away. That's what I'm trying to tell everybody. You need to understand and know what pattern are you trading, you know. Euro JPY 4-hour chart, all good, nothing wrong. Short in the market, all good, nothing wrong. What pattern are you trading on the Euro JPY 4-hour chart? Did I place my stop loss correctly? I don't know. What's the pattern? Stop loss goes on the pattern traded. Stop loss goes on the pattern traded. Stop loss goes. When you go to sleep, keep repeating. Stop loss goes on the pattern traded. Stop loss goes on the pattern traded. So I don't know. It depends what pattern. Make sense? We can say max, it's speculating on the yellow downtrend 75. His stop loss is at the correct level because this is the level that is going to break the downtrend, the yellow one. Agreed? This is common sense. USD CAD, Alan, you know, is trading the violet. His stop loss is above the violet. He's trading the violet pattern down market wave on the 1 hour chart. His stop loss, it's also in correct place because if the market go here and break this high, but then goes up in here more and break this high, you know, this would break the, give me a second everybody, this would break the down market wave too. Shantana on the orange, even though it's speculating, you know, the market should be now speculating the downturn because it's making lower low, but there is no lower high, no lower low. Even this stop loss makes sense because this is where the market is going to break this speculative downtrend. But Olga, I don't know. Because you just said, oh, I'm shorting the 4 hour, but what's the pattern? Everybody help Olga out. What could she trade? Come tomorrow better prepared, right? Only one next week. The best trader with the most money. We're going to here see how many pips, you know. Alright? I'm going to give you 1 hour of my free time. We can talk weather or strategy, trading, markets, whatever. Okay, everybody, I need to go. Olga, choose a pattern until tomorrow, right? We're going to leave the trading station like it is, the trading platform like this. Alright? So I'm going to take a screenshot, everybody, because sometimes Forex it's not working. So we have Forex trading week day 1. Alright? And see you back tomorrow. Tomorrow, come with your strategies, come with your charts, come with your methodologies, come with your patterns, everybody. Alright? And tomorrow we're going to see. You can manage the trade too. Tomorrow, if you want, you can manage trade, change stop loss, change take profit. Until tomorrow, stay strong and trade like a boss. Remember, you are the boss of your own account.